Let's kick this one off with something good. As you can see, I finally have a Tach signal. That's off the ECU. That's an ultimate cold start for you right there. That is dead fucking cold. How we got here to actually having a Tach that works now is quite a mission if you've been following along. So we had the bad wiring in the harness that I bought. I've made contact with that seller. They're extremely apologetic. They're offering you have to pay for damages to whatever's happened here. I was concerned the dash was broken. They've actually offered, yeah. But going through the harness, I've tried making contact with Autometer. They haven't responded yet. I've got the harness to the dash. Now on the back of these suckers, they've got I was just doing some continuity testing from one end of the plug, essentially where I've been connecting my ECU wiring, and that 9117 module that I picked up, and trying to work out, so I pulled the plug out the back of the dash, and it was just probing this to see if I was getting any continuity back here. And as it turns out, I wasn't. Now this little freaking module here, I'm not really sure what it is. They've got it on the back there as Auto IO, a Tach board. Googling that, I can't find it anywhere. But as I'm going through it, I'm noticing, so I've got a loose or dry solder joint. This is something that I haven't touched. I haven't worked on this at all. I've just connected it straight up as it was. Bit hard to see in that, but that's actually turning in the slot. So that's why I'm not making contact at all. So I don't know if there was an issue from the constant 12 volts I was getting, which I'm apparently quite lucky I didn't burn out my PCM. But I'm tipping that there, it's probably been my issue one of my issues the whole time, because I wouldn't have got signal up here when I was wiping it out. It was a constant 12 volt supply, but this never would have given me signal either way. Not sure what it does, but at the moment, I just bypass it just for this testing phase, and obviously it works just fine. So I'm gonna wait for an email back from Autometer. I'd got quick responses from those guys in the past, but it is the weekend now, so maybe not. And they may have a go at just resoldering that one point, see if it makes a difference. But that there was a problem, one of the problems the whole time. How's that for being stubborn and fault finding for you? But either way, I got a Tach signal. How good is that?